Campsite example, Wolfpack Island West. West end of Namakan Lake, Voyageurs National Park. Okay, it looks like we got 3 Wolfpack Island campsites here, all within, well, I'd say a half mile easily. And they're all pretty nice. This is the westernmost one, obviously. So this is your primary landing. Nice little sand beach. It's a bit of a hike to get up to the campsite, but here we go. Carrying your coolers, and there goes the star of the show, Toby. He's got to be right in the video every time. Nice, Toby. So this is your trail up to the camp, carrying all your gear. This is your area here. It's got 2 lockers. This is your primary tent pad here. This is the largest one. And that trail back there goes back to Wolfpack Central campsite. So those 2 campsites are connected by a well-beaten path. So if you've got a large party, this is the area you want to come to. Get on up here. This is your fire ring. There's one of your food lockers. Table. And here's your other tent pad. Yeah, let's turn around for a view. You got a good view of the lake here through a couple portholes here. Otherwise, she's pretty secluded, pretty private. This campsite's private for sure. But if you get to a certain few areas, there. That's your best view from this campsite. Can't see much. Like I said, you got a lot of trees and growth here in front of the camp. And this is looking north and east. So, and I don't know about this tree here, but there is another landing down there. If you can see it through there. You can land your boat there too, but bringing stuff up here would be kind of a joke. So use the other landing. I don't know how long that tree would stand in a strong windstorm, so I don't know how safe one would feel here tent camping. But obviously the roots are all washed out. Looks like it would go toward the lake though, but I don't know, you never know. Beautiful view of the lake. Very nice day here in mid-July 2014. Get you another view of that landing area. This is one of the trails. Can you believe people would actually try to bring their stuff up here? Crazy. That is a steep ass hill. So anyway, there's the lots of wide open area. You could pitch a tent over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas for tents that I see here. So obviously meant for large parties, like I said earlier. Food lockers. And they got this sign posted here. Just camping rules. I haven't seen one of those signs posted for a while. And let's go back to the latrine. Real exciting, but just so you know what it looks like. Our trusty guide's leading the way. And there it is, nothing exciting. Sit right there and give the government a piece of your mind. I think Mr. Obama would like that. Okay. Once again, Wolfpack Island West. The westernmost of the 3 Wolfpack Island campsites. All 3 are pretty spacious and wide open, but these 2 on the western end are the biggest and the most space. And like I said, these last 2 are connected by a well-beaten path through the woods. I can kind of just start you on that, show you a little bit of what I mean. Toby's going to lead the way. There it goes. As you can see, that's a very well-beaten path. And the other campsite is back there, about 100 yards. So you could have a couple parties here, and they could be connected by a path. So, but anyway, I do like the height of this one away from the lake. I like the tent pads here. The only issue with height is you got to carry your stuff up. So. But anyway, that's Wolfpack Island West.